With the programmable needle up-down feature, you can choose to have your needle in either the up or down position when you stop sewing. Leave it off if you want the needle to stop in the up position. Or, with a simple touch of the button, your needle will stop in the down position, making it easy to pivot corners, sew appliques, and so much more. Programmable needle up-down is a must-have, especially for quilters and fashion sewers. The Drop and Sew bobbin is a great time-saving feature. There's no need to draw up the bobbin thread before you start to sew. The machine will do it for you. Set your bobbin in the bobbin case, then place the thread tail into the groove. Trim the tail and just start sewing. The bobbins and bobbin cover are transparent, making it easy to monitor your thread supply.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.